Hi guys, so moving on to the next question, pretty amazing question. Now your program starts with main a is equal to 4, b equals to 5 and c is equal to 6. So I'm writing here that a is 4, b is 5 and your c is 6, right? And let's suppose the address of this is 100, this is 200 and this is 300. So what I'm doing first, I'm passing a comma b. So what I'm doing, I'm passing 4 comma 5, f1 4 comma 5. Therefore the value of this a is 4 and this b is 5. Value of this a is 4 and the value of this b is 5. Let's suppose the address is 400 and 500. Right, so guys, this a and this a both are different, right? So now in c is equal to a. Value of a is 4, so c is 4. 4 here. A is equal to b, therefore this changes to your 5. A becomes 5 and b is equal to c. Value of c is 4, therefore the value of b becomes 4. This becomes your 4, right? Now again, when control goes back to the main, now I am passing address of b comma address of c, and you need a pointer to store these variables. So what I am passing 200 comma 300. That gets stored in this pointer a. This is 200 and this is your 300. It means your a is pointing to this, right, and your b is pointing to 300. Fine guys, now I am taking this variable in c. C is equal to star a. A is pointing at 200, star of this is 5. Therefore the value of this is 5 and this is 5, right? Now next time you are writing star of a is equal to star of b. Your b is pointing at 300, star of b is 6. That 6 you are assigning to what? Star of a. A is pointing at 200. This star you are changing to 6. So this becomes your value 6. And star b is equal to c. So this is your b and this star you are changing it to this c. And value of this c is 5. So this becomes 5, right? Now after this line you are printing c minus a minus b. So what is the value of c? C value is 5. What is the value of a? A value is 4. And what is the value of b? B value is 6. So 5 minus 4 minus 6. So answer is minus 5. Right? Just check it once more. I am passing in main, I am passing a comma b. Value of a is 4, b is 5. So value of a becomes 4 and b becomes 5. A becomes 4, b becomes 5. Now I am taking a variable c. C is equal to a. The value of c is 4. A is equal to b. The value of a becomes 5. B is equal to c. The value of b becomes 4. So this is the change. Now when the control goes back to the main, in this, what I am doing, I am writing f2 address of b comma address of c. So what I am passing, address of b was 200. I am passing 200 and 300. So a is pointing at your 200 and your b is pointing at 300. Fine. Now c is equal to star a. Your a was pointing at 200. This a is pointing at 200. Star of this is, that star is like 5. 5 you are assigning to c. The value of c becomes 5. Now star is equal to star b. इसका स्टार पहले क्या था? 6 था. तो आपने असाइन कर दिया किसको? स्टार ऑफ ए को. तो ये वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 6 होगी. एंड स्टार बी इज इक्वल टू सी. जो इसका स्टार था, सी की वैल्यू 5 थी, यहाँ पे वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? 5. तो ये चेंजेस हो गए. ठीक है. उसके बाद printf percentage d c. The value of c is your, for this, what is the value of c? There is a twist guys. C. What is the value of c? Here the value of c we are taking as 5, but the value of c is what? In this, the value of c is your 6, because we are not passed any function. You are simply passed address of b comma address of c. So when you pass this address of c, so your c value changes. In this I might changing the value of c somewhere. Yes, your c gets changed to 5, right? So this c is not 6 now because you have changed the c. The value of c has become 5. Why this has become 5? Because of this line. You are writing what you are writing, star of b is equal to c. The b was pointing at this. Indirectly you have changed the value of c. So c is equal to star a. You are assigning that to star b. तो आपने ये वैल्यू चेंज कर दी, ये वैल्यू कितनी हो गई 5 होगी। तुमने एक्चुअल डेटा को चेंज कर दिया यूजिंग पॉइंटर्स कॉल्ड बाय रेफरेंस, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे C 6 नहीं होगा, ठीक है, यहाँ पे C की वैल्यू चेंज होगी, कितनी हो चुकी है 5 हो चुकी है, तो C की वैल्यू क्या होगी 5 माइनस A की वैल्यू कितनी है 4 बिकॉज A मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ चेंज ही नहीं किया, और B की वैल्यू चेंज हुई है, B की वैल्यू मैंने चेंज करके कितनी कर दी है, यहाँ से हमने लिखा B is here it is 5 but here I have changed it to 6 star, right? So this the actual data has been changed to 6. So 5 minus 4 minus 6, 5 minus 10 minus 5 is the correct answer, right? Tricky question, good question, right? Take care guys, bye.